Daniel Andrews has shifted his campaign focus to health as he was forced to defend questions over a car crash involving his wife and a bicycle rider 9 years ago. Our Victorian political reporter Simon Love has more from Epping in Melbourne's north.
Health is now the focus of the election campaign. Labor's bus headed to the Northern Hospital in Melbourne's north. The Premier joined by Health Minister Mary-Ann Thomas. They pledged $444 million for PET scanners at 8 hospitals across the state. The machines help find and monitor the spread of cancers, heart disease, brain disorders and other conditions.
There's always extra steps to take. There's always more you have to do. There's always another piece of equipment. There's always services to be grown and properly expanded. So we, just this year, $585 million in brand new medical equipment. That was just this year's budget. We've invested many hundreds of millions of dollars in additional equipment, extra machines, workforce to use those machines to try and build the best system across our state.
Mary-Ann Thomas claiming the Liberals closed a hospital not far from the announcement.
They're already taking the razor to healthcare here in Victoria. Matthew Guy has said he will tear up the contract for the Whittlesea Community Hospital.
Meanwhile, Daniel Andrews fended off dozens of questions after the victim of a car crash 9 years ago involving the Premier and his wife Cath told the Herald Sun more detail about his case. Meuleman is disputing the Premier's and his wife's claims about the circumstances of the crash, particularly claims that he had been riding at speed on a bicycle on a road on the Mornington Peninsula before the impact. The Premier's wife, Cath, wasn't on the election bus today. Daniel Andrews said she wasn't scheduled to, and she also has a day job. The Premier also, again, fending off questions over whether he'd appear at a Sky News Herald Sun People's Forum, once again leaving it up to party officials.